Good morning, students. Today we are learning lesson 6, possessive adjective 2. So here we will learn the possessive form is used with nouns referring to people, groups of people, countries and animals. It shows a relationship of belonging between one thing and another. To form the possessive, add apostrophe plus s. The form of possessive, add apostrophe plus s to the noun if the noun is plural or already ends in s. So just add an apostrophe after the s. So now let's start. Children, as I told you, possessive noun show ownership. You typically form the possessive of a word by adding an apostrophe plus s to the end of the word. If the word is plural and ends in an s, then you just add the apostrophe after the s. I'll tell you some example. Like, see, Mary. Mary is a name and a singular noun. Mary has a dog. So, Mary, only one girl, Mary. So, she is showing possessiveness. So, she will say Mary's dog. So, after Mary, apostrophe will come. Means apostrophe s will come. Mary's dog is brown. The lorry has wheels. So, here we will see the lorries after LORRY apostrophe or s. Lorry's wheel are huge. Only one lorry is there, so after singular apostrophe will come or add plus s. Now next is children. Children is already plural noun, so that don't end in s. So we cannot say children's, we say children. But when we will show possessiveness, so what we will say? Children's. After children apostrophe add plus s. Children's. The children's lunch is pizza. And the man MEN man is already plural. So the man have carrots. So when we will show the possessiveness, what we will say? The man's MEN man apostrophe plus s carrots are big. So here we will say singular noun. Here we are showing plural noun. Now next, plural noun that end in s. Snails. Snails, already s is there at last. So what we will do? The snails have shell. So the snails means when the plural ends s, what we will say? Snails means after s apostrophe will come. The snails apostrophe shells are pink. The snails shells are pink. Likewise, the girls already plural noun. The girls have pets. So here what we will do? The girls' pets are kittens. GIRLS. Girls already plural. What we will do? Because it ends with s, so we will put apostrophe after s. We will not put s. Double s will not come. Only we will put one apostrophe because the girls, it ends with s. Girls, already s is there. Here already snails, s is there. So at last what will come? Only apostrophe. So here we have seen Mary, it's a singular noun. So when it shows possessiveness, so only Mary's apostrophe will come, then s. Mary's dog is brown. Here the lorry means only singular noun. Lorry's wheels are huge. When we talk about the plural, means children. But when it shows possessiveness, so children's apostrophe will come. So the children's lunch is pizza. Here man, MEN man is already plural. But when it shows possessiveness, so MEN man apostrophe and s. The man's carrot are big. Then snails, when the plural noun end with s, means SNAILS, snails. At last s is coming. So what we will do? We will not add double s. Only apostrophe will come at upper side. Only apostrophe and come on the s. So the snail's shells are pink. The girls' pets are kittens. Now here you will see. So here you will see question A, circle the correct words. First, Richa apostrophe slash Richa's computer is new. So as you know, Richa is a singular noun. So what will come? Richa apostrophe plus s. Computer is new. Now second, the boys, boys apostrophe or slash boys apostrophe s, means double s is coming. Eyes are green. So what will be coming here? The boys, boys, boys apostrophe, because in boys s already there. So again s will not be added. Only apostrophe will come on the s. Third is the woman apostrophe slash women's. Cats are small. So woman, its end, it is not ending with s. So what will be coming here? Woman apostrophe s, means plus s will be adding here. Cats are small. Now next, fourth, the giraffes apostrophe s or slash. Fourth one, the giraffes, means giraffe apostrophe s slash giraffe, or only apostrophe s is not there. Legs are long. So what will be coming here? Giraffe means singular noun. So giraffe apostrophe plus s will be adding here. Legs are long. Now number 5, the queen's slash queen apostrophe s. Castle is old. So what will be here? The queen's castle is old, means QUEEN apostrophe s. Castle is old. 6, the children's, means CHILDREN children apostrophe s slash CHILDREN children, only apostrophe. Parents are old. So what will be coming here? Children is already plural noun. Apostrophe s will be adding. Parents are old, because this noun does not end with s. So we will add over here with apostrophe. Question B, you will see. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks. First picture is there. You can see the monkey has a tail. One is already done for you. The monkey's tail, because monkey is only one. So apostrophe will be coming here is long. Second, Kia has cats. Kia is a name. The girl name is Kia. So Kia's, because it's a singular noun. So what will be coming? Kia's cats are cute. Third, the aeroplane has wings. The aeroplane's wings are big, because aeroplane is a singular noun. So what will be coming here? When it shows possessiveness, apostrophe s. Wings are big. Now next, the girl have umbrellas. The girls have umbrellas. So girls is already plural noun and ends with s. S इसमें पहले लगा हुआ है. तो what will be doing? Only apostrophe will come on the s. So the girls' umbrellas are colorful. Fifth, the children have toys. Children is a plural noun, but it does not ends with s. So what will be there? The children's, means apostrophe will come. The children's toys are fun. So I hope children you have understood possessive adjective 2. Now you have to